Hi, I'm Karsten,
And I'm Michael.
and we are going to be doing a volume problem today.
The problem is, what is the volume of a liquid in milliliters in a cylinder measuring 40 centimeters, the height, times 10 centimeters, the diameter, with an empty sphere of 5 centimeters in diameter inside the cylinder?
The constraints are: use the problem-solving process throughout your notes and present a mathematical equation to represent your answer. The formulas we are going to use are pi r squared times height, the volume of a cylinder, 4/3 pi r cubed, the volume of a sphere, and 2r, finding diameter.
We will need to know the definitions of a sphere and of a cylinder. We hypothesize that we will have to use all of the formulas we found, and that we will have to find the volume of both objects and subtract the volume of the sphere from the volume of the cylinder to find the volume of the liquid in the cylinder.
This is our model we came up with.
We took the diameter and divided it by 2, giving us the radius. Then we took the radius squared and multiplied it by pi and got about 78.5 centimeters squared. Took that, multiplied it by the height, and got 3,140 centimeters.
Then we take the diameter of the sphere and divided it by 2, which would give us 2.5 for the radius of the sphere. Next we take 2.5 centimeters cubed times pi and 40 centimeters and multiply them to get about 65.42 centimeters cubed.
And we take the volume of the cylinder and do minus the volume of the sphere and get 3,774.58 centimeters.
We conclude that our hypothesis was correct.
Just to refresh your memory, our hypothesis is, we hypothesize that we will have to use all of the formulas we found, and that we have to find the volume of both objects, then subtract the volume of the sphere from the volume of the cylinder to find the volume of the liquid in the cylinder.
For the extension to this problem, we did:
You're an astrophysicist testing a sphere-shaped capsule for an 18-centimeter long hamster named Chewy. Chewy is going on a mission to explore Mars. The lunar module is 50 centimeters tall and 30 centimeters in diameter, and the capsule is 20 centimeters in diameter. How much room does Chewy have to move in the lunar module?
Since we are given the diameter and we need the radius squared, we divide the diameter by 2 and get 15. Then we square the radius and get 225 centimeters squared. Now we take 225 centimeters squared and multiply it by pi and get approximately 706.5 centimeters squared. We take 706.5 centimeters squared and multiply it by the height of 50 centimeters, which gives us 35,325 centimeters cubed. This is the volume of the cylinder.
To refresh your memory, we put the formula to find the volume of a sphere, which is 4/3 times pi times radius cubed. Since we are given the diameter, we divide the diameter by 2 and get the radius. We take the radius which is 10 centimeters, and cube it to get 1,000 centimeters cubed. We take that and multiply it by 4/3 and multiply it by pi to get 28,908 centimeters.
Please leave questions and comments in the YouTube link above.